2018 Chevy Suburban. I shut the car off, the fan's still running. Start the truck up. Temperature sensor is not moving. Let's see if we can fix the problem. All right, the easiest way to do this is to put something down to stand on. The sensor is back in there. This Milwaukee set is by far the best set out there. Square drives, easy to read. Check them out. All right, let me show you how to get to this part. You can take this off. I'm gonna try and not take that off. So it's down there. That's the part. There's a little nipple here. You just push in. As you're pushing in, it pulls out like that. Kind of a pain in the butt. Try not to break the clip. Put that somewhere safe. Now you just squeeze this here. And pull up. That is the part. All right, this is the part they gave me. Door last. SU1112 temp sensor. It is a 3/4. Lefty loosey. All right, here's the old one and the new one. I'm gonna try and thread this by hand first. Just remember, righty tighty. All right, that's really tight. All right, we got that tightened up. Wiring harness is connected. I'll see if I can drop this in without losing it. All right, not too bad. Very, very tight. If you have big hands, you might have to take this top off. Which is not too bad to take it off. Hose clamp here, and then these two clips here. You just pull up on the bottom, and they pull out. All right, I started it up. And it's working. The fan is not running. All right, so if it is still running, it means that you have to reset it. You can do that with one of these little readers. Real easy. They're like $10. Plug it in, start it up. It'll give you a reading. No codes found, so I already did mine. But I did have to do it to reset it. All right, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.